hammer drill, drill bit, and this right here, cut nails. Like I said. Yeah. All right, cut. Alrighty. So first thing I'm going to do is start each hole so I don't lose the marks with my water. So these here are 3-inch cut nails. Again, there will be links in the description. I've drilled these using a, what is this? This is a 5/16 inch drill bit. So I'm using selected a drill bit that comes up about midway on my cut nail. Putting the wedges in with the fat part going, perpendicular to the cut line. I just seat each nail one at a time.
Y'all, crust of dusty, hand to dandy, from the neighborhood, stone guy. He's your crust of dusty, hand to dandy, friendly neighborhood stone guy.